Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Adelia Nurulnisa. You can call me Adel. I am from 2 kelas 12-2 KI. Here I will explain the practice of making liquid compost. Practical goals are 1. Identify non-B3 solid waste before processing. 2. Understand the principles of waste treatment methods with the composting methods. 3. Carry out work procedures for processing solid waste and non-B3 liquid waste using the composting method. Practical benefits are 1. Reduce waste in sufficiency. 2. Can process waste into useful goods. 3. Reduce air pollution and unpleasant odors from waste. Tool and ingredients are A. Tool 1. Receptacle 2. Spoon 3. Measuring cup 4. Knife 5. Bottle of aqua 600 ml. B. Ingredients 1. EM4 2. Water 3. Molasses and 4. Vegetable waste. Work procedures are 1. Identification of waste samples before processing. Work procedures are 1. Identification of waste samples before processing. 2. Cut the waste into small pieces and put into the aqua bottle or into the composter. 3. Mix half water from aqua bottle, 1 tablespoon molasses, and 1 tablespoon EM4, then mix well. Or pour the solution into the composter until all the waste is submerged, then close the composter. 5. Keep for 10 days. 6. Filter liquid compost. And 7. Identification of processing results based on standards. Results are color like brown, smell raggy, solubility liquid, temperature normal, and pH 0. That's all from me. Happily useful and thank you.